this is.
So the hot water is working fine, but the heating isn't. Yeah, the heating isn't working. Can you put the heating on for me? You know how to do it. Are you okay to come in my film? You okay to come in my film? Okay. Hey,
See what I mean? Not fair enough when you put the
Demand.
okay, what do you do?
yeah, we do that. Get the that was playing up. It was
Well, you got
no, the last few days it started to flash, and then you had to press that to get it up.
there you go. Okay, don't press that.
What press? What do you press?
You just pressed it once and then we'll press it again.
Oh, don't it? Just
Yeah,
once.
yeah. And that's fine. Let's see. Wait. Yeah.
What
Wait.
about the leak then?
Oh, forget the leak. Don't worry about it.
What do you mean forget the leak?
It's leaking from here. We're just gonna have to get that part and come back and fix it for you. Yeah. That's it. This one. It's leaking from here. It's gonna leak. So we're just gonna change the automatic air vent. On another phone. Right, guys. This was a simple job, right? All I had to do is put it from summer mode to winter mode, and he couldn't get heating. I got the heating going for him, so it's all working fine now. So he's quite happy. I had to give him a discount as well. Till next time. I forgot. Till next time. Birmingham Boiler Fix.